Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today it is Eid. I look like a little bit trash, but no worries. I'm gonna go set up now, and then after that I'm gonna have some breakfast, blah blah blah, and then my brother and my dad are coming over today, so we are going to have a barbecue, and you guys can come join me during the day. I'm gonna go set up and stuff, and then I'll get ready after that. So guys, I just got ready. I thought today I'll just wear my scarf fully. We are gonna go down and set up the barbecue. My brother AJ's on his way as well, so just waiting for him, and then we can start on our barbecue. I don't think I like this lipstick, so I'm just gonna make it a little bit darker. I think this is a little bit better. I made it a little bit darker, but yeah, let's go downstairs and finish it up. So I set up the table and stuff. Now I have to set up the barbecue, and I don't know what to do, so let's hope we can do this. AJ just came, so I'm probably gonna ask him to help me set it up, because I do not know what I'm doing. Anyway, this is the outfit that we're wearing. I got this black skirt from Shein, and then I should pair it with like a top and a scarf. Mr. Lighter, oh, you have it.
Close the bottom, yeah?
Yeah, the bottom part's closed.
Shut the whole thing in.
Oh, get beautiful. Oh. Guys, I've been doing this barbecue for the longest. I don't know how this works. I don't know what I'm meant to be doing, but I give up. Anyway, guys, we tried to do a family barbecue, but we failed.
Yo, we here, we live.
Look who came. Okay. Anyway, I asked him to set up the barbecue, and what did you do? You failed.
No, you said you were gonna make a barbecue and you didn't.
No, because how am I gonna set it up?
No, no,
Who's gonna set it up?
This barbecue thing is nax because she didn't set it up properly. If it was me, on the other hand.
But I gave you the job to do after.
I'm in my jacket in this hot weather.
In this hot weather, I don't understand. Anyway, guys, so I put it on, and we failed. So my mum took the alternative and put some chicken in the oven and put some beef and whatever. So we failed. Well, technically he failed, because you're the one that was meant to set up. He's the one that knew how to do barbecues.
Look, I'm a chefers, yeah?
Yeah, well, you clearly failed. What chef?
I'm a chefers. I would have made the nicest ones, yeah?
What a liar. Anyway, guys, let's go get some food. After I set up the whole table, everything, I did so much, yeah, for us not to have a barbecue now, which is a big fail, but it's fine. Let's go get some food now. Okay, guys, this year Eid is completely different. We have to stay at home, so I hope all of you guys are having a good Eid at home with your family. Yeah, but let me know what you guys are doing this Eid at home, or you know, are you going to the park, or, you know, comment down below what you end up doing. But that's mine. Like, might just go for a little walk later, if the weather is nice. It's a bit gloomy outside. Wish it was a bit hotter, but no problems. Still gonna have some fun. Hey guys, so I'm quickly gonna go give my car a wash and go and top up the car, stuff like that, and then I'm gonna go and get myself a nice coffee from Starbucks or Jedi Juice, or one of the two. Don't know what's open, so we're gonna so I'm just trying to put everything in my car. Yeah, so we're just gonna go and drive around and see what is open, and then get a nice coffee. Guys, I just finished with my car wash. Had a little problem. They told me to close in my side mirrors. I closed it in. Somehow I think they detect that you're in a car, so it reopened, and then literally it reopened as the little machine was coming past, and I'm thinking, oh my god, like how am I going to do this? Having a little mini anxiety attack or whatever, but we did it. Well, it closed itself in and I thought it broke off, but luckily it didn't, because I was thinking, how the hell am I going to get home without side mirrors? But anyway, it worked, thank god. Now we have a clean car. We are gonna go and get some coffee, because I've been dying to have a coffee. My face is becoming very oily, but we're gonna powder it. Anyway guys, so I got my coffee. I got the iced coffee, but I added vanilla milk instead. So if you ever go to Joe the Juice, make sure you get the iced latte with vanilla milk. My brother decided he wants to come with me and get a coffee. How's your coffee? Good. Do you want to tell them? No, he's moving a bit shy. But anyway, he got, what did I get you? The macchiato?
Espresso.
Oh, espresso. So he wanted to try the espresso, and I added a bit of milk to it. Hope mom don't see this vlog, because else I'm gonna get in trouble. But I'm excited about my coffee. Anyway guys, the taste, actually fantastic. It's the vanilla milk that makes it a bit different. The lighting is a bit, oh, ooh, the lighting is better here. But yeah, the vanilla milk is what makes this coffee. Like, I've tried the regular one, no way. I had to add sugar to that, whatever. But my friend told me about the vanilla milk. She goes, try it and you don't have to add nothing. But vanilla milk, I've tried it now, fantastic. Guys, I'm just back home, right? Imagine the funny thing, my little brother decided to give me some Eid money. You know, I should be giving him money, but technically my dad gave him money, so he's giving me some of the money that he got. So anyway, I got some free Eid money. If I was going out with my friends, that money would have come in so handy, but this is staying in my pocket. But yeah, I think what I'm gonna do for the rest is probably just watch some Netflix movies. AJ just left. Oh, by the way, AJ bought us a 50-inch TV. Should I show you guys? Let me show you guys. Here we go. Look, he got us the 55-inch 4K Ultra, and it looks like that. My fam's watching another room, so I can't even show you guys. But yeah, he got us this TV. Thank you, because now I can watch Netflix on a big flat screen. You know what happened? Yeah, our last TV got broken by my little cousins, so this is gonna come in handy. But anyway guys, I hope you all had a fantastic Eid. I am exhausted. I'm just chilling, looking for a movie to watch. But yeah, that's the end of my Eid. Hope you guys enjoyed this little failed vlog, but I'll see you guys in my next video.